Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2020 Journey Crossroad. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD, granite pearl coat, quick order package 22S included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, Mopper all-weather group included, Mopper cargo tray, Mopper splash guards, Mopper door swivel guards, Mopper slush mats, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, black leather seats with sport mesh inserts, front-wheel drive, power steering and ABS. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.